She stood frozen as the laughing grew louder. All she could do was watch as her tray of spaghetti clattered to the floor, the delicious food splashing across the linoleum tiles. A wave of shame washed over her. Why hadn't she known better than to wear white on the first day? Of all days, why did she have to make that mistake today? 14-year-old Lily stared at her shoes. Tears pricked at her eyes, but she blinked them back. She wouldn't give these people the satisfaction. She picked up her jacket from the floor and hurried out of the cafeteria. She could hear snickers following her as she walked. Lily hurried home that afternoon, desperate to escape the taunts of her new classmates. But her mom wasn't home yet. As she walked into the kitchen, she spotted a note on the fridge. It's read at the store. Be home soon. Love you. Lily slumped onto a chair, feeling utterly alone. Just then, she heard a scratching at the back door. Startled, she walked over and peeked out. She couldn't believe her eyes. A small, fluffy puppy was sitting on her welcome mat, its tail wagging hopefully. "Oh, hi," she whispered, opening the door. The puppy dashed inside, shaking water droplets everywhere. "Lily!" gasped. "Mom! You didn't tell me we were getting a puppy!" She called out, but there was no reply. She sighed and knelt down beside the wet puppy. "Well, I guess you're staying with us for now," she said with a smile. Days turned into weeks, and the puppy became a constant presence in Lily's life. She named him Buddy, and soon they were inseparable. She took him on walks, played fetch in the park, and even taught him a few tricks. Buddy was always there for her, listening patiently when she had to vent about school or her worries. Lily's mom returned from her trips with bags of goodies for Buddy, too, as if she had secretly planned for him to move in all along. Lily started enjoying school again. Buddy's presence had given her a boost of confidence, and the puppy quickly became famous around school, too. Students and teachers alike would stop by to pet him during their breaks. One day, as Lily and Buddy were heading home from school, they met one of Lily's classmates, Kevin. He had a huge crush on Lily, but she didn't know it. "Hey, Lily, wanna hang out sometime?" he asked, his face turning red. "Oh, sure," she replied, surprised by his question. Kevin was part of the popular crowd, and Lily couldn't believe he wanted to spend time with her. As weeks went by, Lily and Buddy continued to bring joy to everyone around them. Then one day, everything changed. It was the annual school talent show, and Buddy was going to make a special appearance. Lily and her mom had practiced for weeks. Buddy had learned to play dead, shake hands, and even roll over on command. The day of the show arrived, and Lily and Buddy were backstage, waiting for their turn. Her mom fussed over her while Buddy wagged his tail excitedly. When their name was announced, they walked onto the stage to loud applause. After their act, Lily and her mom took a bow as the audience cheered. But suddenly, a voice boomed from the crowd, who let a dog on the stage. "This is ridiculous." Everyone turned to see Kevin standing up, a sneer on his face. "Get this dog off the stage!" "It's not funny anymore." Lily's heart sank. Was this part of his plan? To hang out with her? To humiliate her? She looked at Buddy, who was whimpering now, his tail tucked between his legs. Before Lily could react, Kevin had rushed onto the stage. "Get lost, dog!" he yelled, trying to grab Buddy's collar, but Buddy bit back, nipping at Kevin's hand. "See, a vicious dog!" Kevin cried. hopping away from Buddy. "Someone get this dog out of here!" Lily yelled back, tears stinging her eyes. Her mom rushed to her side, comforting her as she took Buddy off the stage. Backstage, Lily felt humiliated and scared. Buddy wouldn't normally bite. Had he been protecting her? Later, when the shock had worn off, Lily went to check on Buddy. He was fine, but upset. She hugged him, whispering apologies. Then she had an idea. She grabbed her phone and started typing. Soon, she had composed the perfect response. She posted it online for everyone to see. In her post, Lily explained Buddy's behavior, mentioning Kevin's hurtful comments and his attempt to mistreat Buddy. To her surprise, many students came to her defense. Some spoke up about Kevin's past bullying, while others shared their own experiences of being mistreated by him. Kevin's reputation was ruined in an instant. He tried to apologize to Lily, but she refused to accept it. Instead, she used her experience to raise awareness about animal cruelty and bullying. And as for Buddy, well, he remained her best friend, reminding her every day that kindness and loyalty could conquer even the darkest of times.